Hi, hello friends, what's up? This is your Tech Dude. Today I will explain the welcome to my channel Tech Dude. The today topic is foundation of artificial intelligence and comprehensive beginners tutorial. This topic title the introduction of this artificial intelligence is welcome to foundation artificial intelligence tutorial. This comprehensive beginners guides will provide overview of key concept and applications and AI get ready to and the journey of the world of the AI. What is the artificial intelligence? This artificial intelligence is the or AI reference to simultaneous human intelligence process permissions. It is involves learning, reasoning, and self-conscious. It is the potential realization, variation, industrial, and enhanced capability. This history of artificial intelligence is the history of artificial intelligence is the same method broker, but the modern era AI beginners, the 1950s, it is the developed by first AI program over the decades is the evolution learning leading technology science. This type AI is it can be categorized into the two main types of narrow AI, general AI. Narrow AI is the designing for the specific tasks for the while general AI aims to process human-like intelligence and cognitive. The ability of understanding these types of curriculum grasping of the scope of AI applications. The machine learning. The machine learning is a substance of the AI-enabled machine learning. It is the improving their performance over time. It is play provided to the various and AI applications such as predictive analytic image recognition and the natural language processing. This deep learning is a sophisticated from the machine learning that utilize neural networking, analyzing complex and pattern and solving interactive problems. It is application span across the field like health care and finance, autonomous vehicles. The AI ethics and basis. The AI became a more previous it raised ethic conquer regarding piracy, accountability of the basis, understand ethical implications of AI is essential for ensuring responsible and equitable development AI technologies. The AI healthcare. The AI potentially revolution healthcare be enabled to process and treatments of these early diseases detections and the medical and analyzing it is impact healthcare delivery and patient outcome from the profound the promising. The AI business. The AI business are learning AI for the process, autonomous customers insight and predictive analytic from the enhancing operational efficiency to driving invitations of AI respond landscape of the business and commerce. E-commerce challenging and future of the AI. The future of AI presenting the both opportunities and the challenges including the ethical dimensions, job displacement, and the regulation of the frameworks and addressing of those challenging that the while hiring is the potential AI is the circular for shaping the sustainable including features. The main conclusion of this beginners AI tutorial, the conclusion tutorial is to provide comprehensive of the review of the foundation of artificial intelligence. It is continuous of this advance. It has to improve and understanding principles, applications, and their ethical consideration, embracing AI with responsibility for side will play of this why for transformation of future. Please subscribe my Tech Dude channel. Please like my Tech Dude channel. Please share, please comment. Thanking you once again. Watch the till in the latest AI tutorial beginning. As soon as possible, you completed this tutorial total playlist. Thanking you once again. Please stay tuned of the Tech Dude channel. Please like, please share. Thanking you once again, your Tech Dude.